Hey y'all, so let me tell you about my best friend, the Perfect Ponytail Palace. They sent me this beautiful ponytail I've worn a couple times, so I want to show you how I install it. It came in this nice satin bag with a little hair care tips, and I have worn it a couple of times. I actually have the Afro Wavy 24-inch ponytail. Now it comes on a weft with a little comb that sticks into your own ponytail and a little side piece with a velcro that you wrap around. So first what I'm going to do is go ahead and wash the hair. I'm using my Pantene Gold Series shampoo. And I'm going to go in with my Mizani conditioner. And then squeeze it through the hair. So now the hair is clean. This is it without product, and I've already detangled it as well. I'm going to add a good bit of this Nairobi foam wrap lotion and smooth it down the hair. And I'm careful not to go upwards against the grain of the hair because you have to treat it like your own, and you would never go against the grain on your own hair. Now to keep that curl together, I'm using a light gel. This is a Big Papa gel by The Dew. And this gel, it creates the clumps of the curls without giving you the crunch. So once I run it back through with my brush, then it's going to clump those curls at the end that I want. And what you really need with a curly ponytail so it doesn't get frizzy. And it's going to naturally get frizzy because it's going to rub against your clothes and other things because it is so long. So for my hair, I've already washed it. And I'm just going to make my middle part. You can part wherever you want. Add my Paul Mitchell One Condition Leave-In. I use this one because it doesn't make a product with the Eco Styler gel that I'm going to go in right now with. And I use a lot of gel. And I really slather this on and then detangle it through my hair to get it smooth. And I work in sections on this, so I only do one side of my head at a time. Alright, so I have everything smoothed down. I'm going to use a knotless, ouchless Goody hairband to go ahead and put that hair back. And I wrap it around 3 times to get it taut. And tuck it under, and then I wipe away all that white gel. For my edges, I'm just using a rat tail comb and a little bit of that gel and creating my little S-wave baby hairs. This is what really sets the ponytail off. The edges, the shine, and the curls. If you are using a lot of gel for anything, you want to make sure that you go in with an alcohol wipe and wipe all of your edges off before putting on the satin scarf. Now the satin scarf is going to stay on my head for about 2 hours while I go and do my makeup and get ready. So at this point, my hair is probably about 60% dry. So the front layer cast of that gel is pretty dry enough for me to go ahead and attach my ponytail. And it has been drying while I did my hair and my makeup. So I'm going to go in with the 4-prong comb part. And be careful to leave out that side piece. And make sure I get that 4-prong comb into my ponytail as deep as possible, right above that ouchless band. And then I'm going to take the outer part and wrap it all the way around the ponytail base to the other side of that Velcro. And that's what's going to secure the ponytail on. And then for the rest of the hair, I'm just going to keep wrapping it around the base of that ponytail. This is honestly the easiest hairstyle I've ever done. And we're done. So now you can flip it around and play with it and see what you look like. And to get some of that crunch out, I'm just gonna kind of press on the hair, but the curls stay intact and it has a great shine on it. You don't know how to act when you got long hair and you're not used to having long hair.